The kids learning video is very popular on YouTube. So many kids learning channels are getting millions of views and subscribers. Most of the channels are making videos in animation or cartoon style because kids love animation. You can also create this kind of kids learning videos even if you don't have any animating knowledge. And in this video, I am going to share the step-by-step method of making kids learning animated videos. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, select a topic. For example, we want to make a video on fruits. So, we need a script about fruits. To generate a script, we will use Chatgpt. After coming to Chatgpt, simply ask for 10 popular fruit names. And here it is. Chatgpt provides 10 fruit names. Now we have to enter another prompt. Type, based on each of these fruits, make each fruit introduce itself to the kids and share how to spell their names. And then hit the enter button. Chatgpt gives us the story. Now if you want a more detailed script, then simply ask for it. Alright, our script is ready. Now let's create the narration with this script. To do this, I will use Lovo AI. After coming to the Lovo AI website, create an account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now, you have to enter some personal data. After all of this, your interface will be like this one. Select Short VoiceOver, and then hit the Start Project button from here. This is the text-to-voice generator interface. Now click on the voice actor icon from here to select a voice actor. Here you will find a vast number of voice actors. You can set a filter to find the best one. I will suggest selecting a child voice for this kind of video.
Are you looking for the perfect voice? Then I'm your best option. Are you looking for the perfect voice? Then I'm your best option.
Alright, after selecting the voice actor, come to Chatgpt and copy the first fruit script. After that, paste it into the script box of Lovo AI. Now click on the Generate button from here to generate the audio. It will take some time to generate the audio. After completing the process, you can hear a preview. Click on the Download button to generate the audio clip. Lovo is a paid platform. You have to buy a premium subscription to download the audio. If you don't want to buy a paid plan, then you can watch this video from the I button. In this video, I explain how you can generate voiceover for free. Alright, after generating the first script, go back to Chatgpt and copy the second fruit script and paste it into the Lovo script box. After that, hit the Generate button. In this way, generates audio with every fruit's name and download them to your device. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now it's time to generate the visuals. To generate visuals, I will use Canva. Canva is a free platform for designers. After coming to the Canva homepage, click on here to create a new design. Now you can select a design type from here or can create a custom size design. After creating a new design, come to the element section and search for the first fruit name. In our case, the first fruit is an apple. Search for apple in the search bar and then come to the graphics tab. You will find a vast number of apple images or graphics. Select one of them from here. Set the image position in the center. After that, go to the Element tab's search bar again and search for cartoon legs in the search bar. You will find some cartoon legs here. Now select one of them and add it to your design. It will make our videos more interesting to the kids. Set the position of the legs behind the apple. After that, search for cartoon hands and add hands to the apple. You can customize the hand and leg color according to the fruit color. After that, go to the Elements section again and search for cartoon face. Add this kind of face to your fruit to make it more interesting. Adjust the size of the face to make it perfect. Alright, our first fruit image is ready. Now click on the duplicate icon from here to create a duplicate page and come to the duplicate page. Now search for the second fruit on the search bar. Our second fruit is banana. Insert an image of banana on your second and delete the apple image. Now adjust the size and position of the legs, hands, face, and fruits to make it perfect. After completing the second image, create another duplicate and in the same way create the images. After generating all of the fruit images, click on the Share button from here. Select the file type as PNG. Don't forget to select the transparent background. Alright, our images are ready. Now it's time to animate them. To animate the images, I will use a free AI tool called Animated Drawings. After coming to the Animated Drawing homepage, click on Get Started from here, and then click on Upload Photo. Now upload one image. After uploading the image, click on the Next button from here, then click on Agree. On the next page, you have to select the area of your character. After that, in the rigging option, here select the position of the eyes, hand, hip, and legs. Adjust the positions if needed. After all is set, hit the Next button. And here it is. You can see it creates animation with our image. Now simply try some animation preset from here. Once you find the best one, click here to full screen the video. After that, click on the three-dot menu, and then select Download to save the video on your device. Now go back and in the same way generate animation with all of the images and save them on your device. Alright, our animation is ready. Now come to Canva and create a new video design. After that, upload the animation video. Insert the video on your video. Adjust the size and position. After that, click on Edit Video from here and then select Background Remover to remove the background. After removing the background, go to the Elements section and search for Animated Background. Insert one background to your video and then set it as the background. Now adjust the animated video if needed. After that, upload the related audio clip and insert it in the timeline. Now adjust the video length with audio by adjusting the speed. And our first video is ready. Click on the play button to hear a preview.
I'm Benny the banana. That's B-A-N-A-N-A. I wear a bright yellow jacket that you can unzip in a jiffy. Inside, I'm all about that sweet, mushy goodness. I can make your smoothies creamy.
If all is fine, click on the share button and download the video as an MP4 file. In this way, you can create videos with all the fruits and make an interesting animation video. This video is just to learn how can do it. You have to spend some time to make it perfect. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a kids learning animation video with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.